Hi, and welcome to another Frank's iPad Minute. Today we're going to talk about the Control Center. Control Center is a great function that you can pull from the bottom of the screen to control various aspects of your iPad. Now, to make sure that you have access to the Control Center, I am going to click on my settings icon, and you can see here we got Control Center. And I like to be able to access Control Center from both my lock screen as well as access within apps. So you can always access your Control Center from the home screen. However, if you do want to access it from the access on your lock screens and within apps, be sure to pull those little buttons all the way over to the right where you show the green. So that way you'll always have access to them. So I'm back to the home screen. To access your Control Center, again, I would now be able to do it from within my lock screen as well as from within an app. I merely pull up from the very bottom, so I'm going to take my finger and pull up from the bottom, and now I have my Control Center. So Control Center allows you to do a lot of things. Here in the middle, we got some buttons. You've got airplane mode. You've got your Wi-Fi. You can turn your Wi-Fi on. You can turn it off. Same way with the airplane mode. You can turn your Bluetooth on or off here as well, rather than having to go into your settings. The half moon is actually a disturb, so if you do not want your iPad to emit sounds and to maybe interrupt a meeting or so forth, you could actually turn the do not disturb on. And then the next one is the orientation. So if you wanted to lock your screen, perhaps to lock it for portrait or lock it to landscape, that way if you started to turn your iPad, it wouldn't automatically adjust to the orientation. So you do have the ability to, on this scroll bar over here on the far right, to adjust the brightness. So there's very dim all the way to the brightest. Do realize that if you do move it over all the way to the right, you are going to be using the most battery, so on the brightest, so you might want to adjust that to what's best going to meet your needs. You have the ability to go to the camera by clicking on the camera button. It automatically takes you to the camera. You can also adjust the night shift. And night shift is a function that if you wanted this to go to warmer colors during the evening, there's research that shows that it's better for your circadian sleep cycle. If perhaps you have this on in the night in your bedroom, it's better on the warmer tones in terms of your sleep cycle. So, and if you, like me, if you do get up in the middle of the night sometimes, have a little insomnia, and want to read your iPad, it is a little easier on the eyes as well. And then the next function here is actually a timer or an alarm. So you can set an alarm here. You have a stopwatch. You have a timer. So that's some nice functionality as well. The far left, if you were playing music, you can control your music over here. So I just paused it, or you can hit your arrow button to play it. I'm now hooked up doing a video, so you do not hear my music going on, even though you see it. You can mark it as a favorite with the with the heart, and also if you want to see what was playing, that little up button would actually show you what I am playing. You could actually share that song with somebody. So, and then lastly, in the middle there, you got two other functions. You got AirDrop. AirDrop allows you to electronically transfer wirelessly files from somebody who has an OS device. So I could actually transfer files to them without having to email photos or documents, that type of thing. Here's where it allows you to turn it off, or if you wanted just to do this with contacts only, or to set it for everyone. And for those of you that do have Apple TV, you can display things on your iPad screen to Apple TV by using the AirPlay. So if I click on AirPlay, you'll notice that there is an option here to change this to Apple TV. It shows system capture now, and that's because I am actually using the iPad to create this video. So that's it for the Control Center. Allows you a lot of functionality, and it's very convenient, always at the bottom of the screen. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.